Hello guys, today's lecture will be a small one so that I get the opportunity to request you guys to like the channel, subscribe the channel and also share the video and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications whenever I upload a video on any topic. So today's topic is Mersey syndrome. So clinically question mark means it is very difficult to diagnose clinically the Mersey syndrome. So the Mersey syndrome is what? In this here is the stone which is at the neck of the gallbladder or the cystic duct, and that is eroding into the CVD causing obstruction proximal, that is in CHD. Now what is that? The gallstone impacted in cystic duct or neck of the gallbladder, which causes compression of the common hepatic duct, which may ulcerate into CSD, which leads into many grades. I will explain. It is difficult to distinguish from cholecystitis clinically, which I have explained. So this is the typical pain which may be due to cholecystitis or due to Mersey syndrome. So both of the pains are almost looking similar. There can be jaundice when there is complete obstruction like this. There can be recurrent cholangitis also. Now these are the grades. This is grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 and the grade 4. Now the type 1 is, or you can say these are types, type 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the types are, type 1 is there is extrinsic compression of CSD by a large stone in Hartmann's pouch. So there is only compression. Here you can see it has ulcerated but not completely blocked. Ulcerated, blocked 2/3 and ulcerated and blocked completely. So grade 2 is the stone has eroded into hepatic duct to form a fistula involving less than 1/3 of the circumference. Type 3 is involving 2/3 of the circumference, you can see in the picture. And the type 4 is completely destroyed hepatic duct. Now how will you diagnose? So clinically you know this, that it is difficult to diagnose. So the next step is ultrasonography. You can see cystic duct compressing the CSD. MRCP is a good investigation to get the diagnosis. You will see the picture like this. You can see this is the stone eroding into the CSD and there can be dilatation. Now CT scan can also be a good modality to diagnose it. Now what is the treatment? Treatment is definitely cholecystectomy, which can be simple cholecystectomy. In this you can see the black demarcation in the cystic duct is ligated and cut. In toto the gallbladder is removed. Into type 2 to 4 the subtotal cholecystectomy is done. So the gallbladder is open, stone is removed, and if it is meeting with the CSD, so the gallbladder is removed partially. I have shown this picture just to make you understand. Otherwise this is adhered and calyx is frozen in that case, and stone removed and partial cholecystectomy is done. So in type 2 to 4 subtotal cholecystectomy, in type 1 simple cholecystectomy. In type 2 to 4 subtotal cholecystectomy or cholecystectomy with cholecystectomy can be done, or Roux-en-Y hepatocystectomy, depending on the situation of the adhesion in the gallbladder. Thank you so much. Again I would like to request subscribe, like and share. Also press the bell icon to get the notification of all